What's up, brother? I'm all right. How you doing? I don't. Don't carry with me. Don't carry with me.
You don't carry? Why you don't carry your ID with you?
In case I'm illegally detained, y'all find out who I am.
Huh?
In case y'all illegally detain me and find out who I am.
Man, I just want to see your ID because you on our property. Look. I know, but you looking in windows of cars.
Yeah, because I can see them.
Yeah, I know you can see them, but you don't know if those are personal cars or not. Those might be personal cars.
Well, but even if they are personal, I can still look in them.
You can't be going looking in the window like that.
I can. It's public.
Yeah.
There's no.
So where's your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
I know that's where it was at.
Where I left it, I don't really get what you're asking me that for. There's no legal obligation if you're asking me where my ID is right now. And I'm correct. I don't want to be a dick about it, but there's no legal obligation for it. So I just don't have it on me.
Okay. Well, we have a legal obligation that
you're really close to me, officer.
We can check your name, check your identity, make sure that you are who you say you are.
What's your name?
I'm Sheriff Mueller, sir.
And your name?
To make sure that you're not wanted.
I'm not wanted. And do you suspect me of being wanted?
Sir, right now we don't know who you are.
I've been just going to stay that way until you have a legal obligation to find out who I am.
We got a legal obligation.
No, you don't. You just want, that's a personal obligation. You just want to know who I am. I haven't committed a crime, so I don't have to tell you who I am.
Sir, you're out here going and looking in vehicles.
Which is a First Amendment protected activity. I can film in public. All this is public.
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, so then if you know that, why are we having this conversation, officer?
We have a lawful right to inquire. When people say there's a suspicious person walking through the parking lot filming, we have an obligation to at least come and check you out, sir. And that's simply what the officers are doing.
Tell my attorney stay tuned in, please.
You can film all day, sir.
With
We're not objecting to your filming.
Okay, so with that being said, with all due respect, if you say I can film all day,
yes, sir.
Why is it everyone standing out here asking me what I'm doing?
Because when someone comes in the office and says someone's going out there looking in the patrol cars,
you can film all day, sir. We're not to your filming. With that being said, with all due respect, if you say I can film all day, sir, why is it everyone standing out here asking me what I'm doing? Because when someone comes in the office and says someone's going out there looking in the patrol cars, we don't know, sir. If someone's going to break into a patrol car, I have no ill. If someone's going to steal a patrol car, it happens. And so we have a lawful obligation to come out and inquire and check and make sure that everything is okay. And if everything is okay, we go about our business. You get to go about yours, and everybody has a great day. Well, that's what's about to happen. I have no ill will intent. I'm not telling y'all my name. I don't want to break in any car. I don't want to get in any car. I'm not touching a car. I'm just taking pictures and videos, which is a lawful activity. So, what's the purpose? But it's not a felony nor misdemeanor. And you know that is the right to investigate as law enforcement. Investigate a crime. No, we don't if a crime has been with terroristic threats in our country today. So now you're saying I'm a terrorist? No, that's what I'm saying with terroristic threats. No, I'm a terrorist. When we tell citizens to contact something, you see something, say something. If you see people doing suspicious things, reach out to law enforcement. And so it's not normal for people to walk through and film in this parking lot. It's not normal to walk around and film around a nuclear station or around any high secure area. This is a facility here. We don't know if you're filming something to plan or prepare a jailbreak for somebody. But until we have a law, that's what I'm doing. You have no right to. That's not true, sir. That is true. That's not true. If I haven't broken a crime, you have no legal right to come ask me who I am. And make sure that you are not plotting and planning something against this facility, which holds a court venue, okay? And so we have this inside this building, there's courtrooms, sir, which are open to the public, but you're not allowed to take a camera into that area. But I'm outside film. So why'd you bring up the inside if I'm outside? I'm telling you, you're just reaching, officer. I've done nothing wrong. And you know that I've done nothing wrong. And everyone out here knows I've done nothing wrong. You're reaching for something. You're not reaching for anything. You are reaching, but it's not a crime. Suspicious, but it's not a crime. We have not told you. Have you been told that you committed a crime? Can you a question? The only important question that I want to ask you, am I being detained? You're not being detained? Absolutely. Great day. Talk to you later, brother. Thank you. You do need to carry your ID with you. I don't. I know who I am. Thank you, though. Fine, sir. You have a great day. I'm going to... You enjoy yourself. Be safe out there, brother. Be safe. Thank you. In the end, no one was arrested, no crimes were found, and nothing unlawful occurred. Yet the footage captured something much more meaningful, a snapshot of how authority often reacts to simple acts of public accountability.